Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of Valorant not opening on your computer. So for this tutorial you won't need any third-party app, you will just need to change some of the settings on your computer and do some manipulations. It's nothing very complicated, so let's get straight into it. Now on this computer I don't have Valorant installed, so I'll do the tutorial on League of Legends, but the manipulation is exactly the same. So just follow me and you'll be good. Now you just have to go to properties on your game, click on properties and then go to compatibility and then here check run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator and then click on change settings for all users, apply and then OK. Now another thing that you can do is to go to the search and then go to services and then here once you have open services just click on any service and then type V on your keyboard. You will have this VGC opened, so double click on it here and then if you double click on it you will find the startup type. So in the startup type just make it automatic, click on start in the service status, click on start, apply and then OK. Another thing that I recommend you to do is to go to your search bar once again and then type graphic settings. Now once you are in the graphic settings, you can choose the app that you want to set the preference to. So you go to browse and then go to Valorant. Now here, of course, I will also go to League of Legends because I don't have Valorant installed. Actually, I just have maybe the files, but nothing else. So here, let's choose the game, League of Legends, and then click on Add. And then here in the options, you will find Let Windows Decide, Power Saving, or High Performance. You will need to click on High Performance and then click on Save. And that's it. Now you just have to restart your computer and all of the changes will be made. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now, these are just few options that I recommend you to do, but it may not work. Maybe the problem is deep inside your computer files or in your Windows or in your game. You can try reinstalling the game if you want. And yeah, that's it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.